Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to start by popping the hood. The handle for that is down here on this left-hand kick panel. Once you pull on the hood lever and release the hood, use the safety lock, which is right there, and lift up. You're going to start by checking the oil level. You want to make sure your car has been sitting for several hours so it's nice and cool and all the oil's drained down in the pan. I like to recommend people check the oil first thing in the morning before they start their car up. The dipstick on this one is down here, has a nice yellow handle. Twist and pull. You're going to wipe it off. Reinsert all of the bottom. Now we'll get a true reading. It is right in the cross mark. That's a safe zone for the oil. If you have to add oil, or if you're doing an oil change, the type of oil is on the oil fill cap. This particular model takes dextrose, and it's 5W30.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.